Hello there. Welcome to our channel, The PC Logist, and we are here to solve your tech issues. We faced an issue with our Acer laptop. It turns off while moving or by a minor jerk when on battery power. Many users have also reported that laptop gets turned off abruptly without any warning, and day by day, that issue becomes worse. So finally we have simple solution to that. So, let's see how to do it. Please subscribe and support to our channel and like and share this video with your friends. First, reverse your laptop. You'll see this small panel where RAM is located on the back side. We will open it with a screwdriver. Open the lid carefully as it's of plastic. After opening, you will see a small push button here, as you can see in the video. Check the lid. There will be a small sponge-like material located exactly in position where push button is located, which might be suppressed due to push button. That button has to be kept in push position properly. So for that, we have to replace sponge on lid with another similar thing such as sponge or cardboard or thin foam that can fit in that space. Here we are going to use thin sponge, which is absolutely right for this. Cut it into appropriate shape and size. Carefully take out the old sponge on the lid and place the new sponge in the right place. You have to stick it with some glue. Here we have used Fevicol, but make sure your glue don't spread. So be careful while placing the sponge and let it dry for few minutes. Please do not use super glue. That may easily get spread or may damage your laptop. Then close the lid panel properly and just see that the new sponge is able to press the switch on a laptop. Now, you are all set to go. Just start the laptop and use it for a while on battery power. Move it, shake it gently, you will find that your problem is solved. So that is it. Isn't it quite simple? In our next video, we'll show you how you can get genuine Windows 10 ISO file from official source. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For any query, we are listening you in comments. Have a good day.